Hello, my name is Gerard O'Neill. Welcome to the Harmony Community Garden. And this garden is 8 years old, and it's magic in that it's here. It's was formed when they pushed the earth to make the parking lot up into this little burn that's here now. And when they built the community center, they had this nice little rise, and we came and applied to build a garden here, and they said yes, the city. And that's what's happened. So we have a beautiful garden, over 40 plots right now. So 40 families in the community take part in this growing. Also, one of the unique features of the garden is the front sides, where we have lots of flowers and ornamental planting. It's just been a community builder. People like to be involved. This year's been difficult because of the pandemic, but usually you'd see more people here in the garden on a day like today. The crops are growing. It's just about harvest time. Well, it is harvest time for some of the crops. I pulled up my garlic this morning, and the tomatoes are in. And it just shows nature at its best, what we can do if we put in a little work, a little effort, and we work the land and respect Mother Nature, and we have this magical place. And it's been really good for us, good for the community, provides lots of food. There's some, as people know, food insecurity, especially in these difficult times. And this helps alleviate that. And people do it because they love to be out in the garden. They love to have their hands in the dirt. They love to see things grow. They love to see the tomatoes. We have some beautiful tomatoes here, and some beautiful sunflowers. There's lots of animals around. Lots of birds this season, especially. Getting more birds all the time. Actually, a goldfinch just flew by. We have lots of rabbits here. In this area here, we have a lovely snake that lives in here, a very large one. Takes care of some of the voles that we have. And it's just an ecosystem that's unique, and people enjoy it. So that's what's magical about our garden, is that it's here, and it's part of the community, and it's vibrant and alive.
Hi, my name's MacLeod, and what makes this garden magical is I was part of the original committee to start it. So that first year it was just a field. So to see the changes over the many years, the 7 or 8 years, it's just been wonderful, and the diversity of wildlife and depth of the soil conditioning has just been amazing, as well as the community nature and just how we've developed a real community of gardeners here who are very supportive of one another and love gardening. So that's what makes it magical.